In March, the ice cream stand sold some ice cream cones. 3,907 were vanilla. 2,568 were not vanilla. How many cones did they sell in March? So the question says that there was an ice cream stand that sold ice cream cones, and some were vanilla and some were not vanilla. So the question is, how many cones did they sell in March? For the month of March, we have to find how many cones got sold. So how will we solve this problem? There are few steps. Step number 1, we have to make a tape diagram. Step number 2, we have to make an equation for this question. Step number 3, we have to solve the equation. Step number 4, we have to write the statement for this problem. Only there are 4 steps. Okay, so this is the tape diagram for this problem. Vanilla, it is 3,907, and those cones that are not vanilla is 2,568. So all this is for the month of March. Okay, so we have to find C, the variable C. So the equation is an addition equation. 3,907 plus 2,568 equals variable C. So that means this value plus this value will make the variable C. Now let us add the two values and find the answer. How to add? 7 plus 8 is 15. So this 5, write it down here. And this 1, you have to write it up there. Okay, so 7 plus 5 is 15. So 5 and 1 goes up. And then 1 plus 6. What is 1 plus 6? Is 7. So 7 goes down. And then 9 plus 5. What is 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5 is 14. So 4, write the 4 below and 1 up there. Then again, add 1 plus 3 plus 2. We know 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. So let us write 6 down here. Okay, so the answer is 6,475. After finding the variable C, which is 6,475, let us write the statement. The statement should be the answer for this question. How many cones did they sell in March? So the statement should be, the ice cream stand sold 6,475 cones in March. Anne had 542,000 visits to her website. Rita had 231,348 visits to her website. How many more visits did Anne have than Rita? Okay, so if you look at the questions, there are two characters here. One is Anne and the other character is Rita. The value of Anne is 542,000. And the value for Rita is 231,348. So, what we are going to find is how many visits Anne have than Rita. So, there are 4 steps, as I have already told you. First step is drawing a tape diagram. Second step is finding an equation. Third step is solving the equation. And final step is making a statement. This is the tape diagram for Anne and Rita. So we know the value of Anne and we also know the value of Rita. What we have to find is the missing value. To find the missing part, if we subtract Rita's value from Anne's value, we will find the missing part. So, now let us make a subtraction equation, which is Anne's value minus Rita's value equals what? Is a subtraction equation. So now let us subtract. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. And this is the answer. How many more visits did Anne have than Rita? Anne had 310,652 more visits than Rita. So now is the time to check our answer. We have to check whether the answer that we got is correct or not. How to do so? So for that, we have to add the answer that we got and also Rita's value and find out whether we are getting Anne's value. Now I have added the two values. How to do the addition? 2 plus 8 is 10. So let us write the 0 down here and the 1 goes up. Then 5 plus 4 plus 1, which is 10 again. So the 0 goes down here and this 1 goes up here. Now let us add the next column, which is 1 plus 6 plus 3, which is again 10. So the 10, in the 10, the 0 goes down here and the 1 goes up here. Let us move on to the next column. 1 plus 1 is 2. I have written it here. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 542,000. So that is the value of Anne. So from this we can say that the answer that we got here is correct. The cost of the Gilbert's new home is $200,000. They paid for most of it and now owe $33,562. How much they have already paid? So in this question, what is given is the value of Gilbert's home, new home, and also how much they owe. Owe means the money that they have to still pay. What we have to find here is how much money that has been already paid. So $200,000, this is the amount of Gilbert's home, and this is what we are going to find now, how much that has been paid. We know the total and also we know a part of the total. So if we know the total and also one part of a total or a small part of the total, we can subtract the part from the total to find the other part. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Now the subtraction equation is $200,000 minus $33,562 equals what? Let us work on this equation. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 1 comes down. Now we have to make a statement for this problem. How much they have already paid for that? The Gilberts have already paid $166,438.